Science and discovery, spinning tops, balance and center of mass. In the heart of Sunnytown School, a group of 6 excited children gathered around their beloved teacher, Mr. Science. Today, he announced, we're going to explore the world of spinning tops. The children's eyes sparkled with anticipation. The first student chose a top with a heavy base and light spikes on top. What do you think will happen when we spin this? Mr. Science asked. The child looked thoughtful, then grinned with determination. One by one, the children carefully placed their tops on a flat surface and spun them. They watched in awe as each top took off, whizzing across the table at different speeds and distances. Next, Mr. Science encouraged the children to measure how far their tops traveled. They learned that some tops went much further than others, even though they were all spun the same speed. As the children continued their experiments, they discovered that heavier tops traveled shorter distances than lighter ones. This got them curious about what was causing this difference. With their questions burning, the children turned to Mr. Science for answers. He led them to a shelf filled with books and pointed at one titled The Center of Mass. The children huddled around it, eager to learn more. As they read the book, the children began to understand that each spinning top had a special point called the center of mass. This was the balance point where all the forces acted upon the top. With newfound knowledge in hand, the children set out to test their understanding of the center of mass. They found that when they placed the tops on different points, the tops spun differently each time. The children excitedly shared their findings and discussed what they had learned about the center of mass. They couldn't wait to continue exploring this fascinating concept. As they continued their exploration, the children learned how to measure the center of mass using strings and rulers. They discovered that the center of mass was always located near the bottom of a spinning top. Finally, the children gathered their findings and presented them to Mr. Science. They discussed how understanding the center of mass could help in everyday life, from spinning tops to riding bikes. With a sense of accomplishment, the children celebrated their newfound understanding of spinning tops and the center of mass. They learned about balance, experimentation, and how to ask the right questions to find answers. Most importantly, they realized that learning could be fun and exciting.